Yo, hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are playing Airplane 3 this time. It's not Rivals. Oh yeah! Yeah, where are we going? Okay, here. Bro, come. Hartish, Harling. Let's go. Let's go. 5, 4. No, wait. No. 2, 1. Yes. No. Oh. Now let push teleport. Okay. Yeah, let's just go somewhere else. Here. Hartish. Come fast. Leave. No, Hartish. Nah, yeah, let's wait. We finally found it. Yeah. Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Rob, shut up. Down of your house.
Hey, what the hell? Literally.
Yeah.
Now, like, why do I think everything's real?
I just crossed your house.
What the hell?
You're probably wondering why I gathered you guys here.
To talk.
Yeah.
And I am president of Roblox here.
Yes, you can call me General Pancho.
General punching bag. Taken as a request. From the...
Or else you'll be expelled from the team.
Nah, bro. I'd win. You take a seat. You're not even sitting.
I am.
No, not you. General punching bag. 5,
Yeah, bro,
4,
yeah.
3, 2, 1, 0. What's the
Let's
point?
get to the point.
Now, this is boring. I'm skipping this. Finally, it's over like after 15 hours. Time for the vacuum cleaner. Yay! Time for the vacuum cleaner. Yay! Yep. What the hell? Oh my god! This ain't the vacuum cleaner. I thought it was a vacuum cleaner. Bruh! Ah, man. Bruh. Yeah!
Oh my god.
What the hell? I'm gonna choose red.
I want to choose blue.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna choose blue too. Wait, did you choose? Wait, Harshit, choose your uniform thingy.
Where? Oh.
Go here. I chose red. I just like red too much. Yeah, let's go. You wore it on. You wore it.
I got it.
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
Now, like, imagine you did not wear it.
Did I wear it?
Yeah, wear it. You might die. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You wore it. This thing's kind of boring.
No,
Boring.
not enough to go on now.
What the hell?
Looks nice. Not just a few models. There's 4 of them around here.
How is this a cave?
We need to come help me.
Are you doing the dialogues?
Just one play.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going for the yellow.
I'm going for green. Finally got it.
Oh, so close.
You almost died. Okay. Hartish, someone's coming with it. Leave it. Someone's coming. Don't fall off.
Excellent. All rounds are connected.
Seriously?
Taking the dance now. Yay! Yep.
Teddy. I need my teddy. Yeah.
I almost forgot. Yeah, Teddy. That's pilot lab.
I have teddy. Meet teddy.
He will be our pilot. Do this mission.
Meet teddy. Bananas. The most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. The banana. Next to a banana.
Next to a banana.
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 Nana banana.
Open the bag.
Anulgam. Matedi. It's
He's
Matedi.
next to me.
Okay, come here. Yeah, like 15% of the, like 50% of the people died. Like that's it? Okay. Only one person's not there. I think. No. I think everyone's there. 1, 2.
Only 6 people are there.
6.
Only 6 people were there.
Yeah, 6. Everyone's here. It's a banana. Next to a banana.
Next to a holding a banana.
I'm holding a banana. Na.
Even so, real.
I'm gonna steal some bananas. Ronaldo Carlos or something. Yeah. General, what are these bananas for? Oh, I thought you could be hungry. I'm not eating it. I'm gonna save it. I'm save it.
Same.
Yummy. What the hell is this? Huh?
What?
Nothing.
I knew it.
Nah, it's just a joke. What?
Oh yeah.
I'm just kidding. All just like you. I did not even eat the banana. Yeah, like why do you always wear 3D clothing?
What?
Why do you always wear 3D clothing? Finally. If this was a rivals video, we would have ended it by now. But it's not a rivals video. But it's not a rivals video. So, yeah.
Oh, sh-
He's gonna fix it. He's just gonna be like.
Does that mean we will die?
Yeah! Okay, everyone, chill. 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 I will fix the bottle.
The bottom.
But I need everyone to cover me out.
I need everyone to cover
Nah.
the other.
Nah, we'd win.
Yeah. I'll go.
Nah, we'd win. This is so scary.
I'll just stand here.
Just like you. Anul GM died. Oh no.
I'll just
Banana.
stand here.
Banana. Yeah. Oh heck no. Oh heck no.
There are only 5 people left.
Yeah. 5 people. Five people.
Oh yeah, the lightning.
Lightning McQueen. Beep. Like what the hell?
Oh my god.
Like I must just stand in one
39
place.
seconds.
I dare myself to stand in one place. Yeah, like there's no lightning coming here, or might I might have spoke to. Hey, where's General Poncho? Where's General Punching Bag? Where's General Punching Bag?
No.
Now where did he go?
I want to find.
Where did he go? The broken engine is right here. Oh, the broken engine is right here. It again got struck by lightning.
Bro. Oh.
Oh, I dodged that by an inch. Oh no! Oh my god. Yeah! Now it's Skeleton Wala. Ayo, where did he appear from? Nah, like where did he appear from?
Touch my feet.
Hey yo! What the hell? Sup, Skelly? Roast some Darman videos.
You will not stop this pain. Brrrna.
Whee! Bro, get in! I know, be nicely.
Yeah.
Pilot. Wish I could just glitch in here. Nah, like what happened? Nah, like airplane 1 and 2 is much more scarier than this. 3 and 4 is just not scary at all. They're just intense. Actually, all of them are intense.
Canada.
Oh, medkit.
Yeah,
Oh, never mind. It's 25 Robux.
Where?
It's 25 Robux.
But I'm not even damaged 1%.
Yeah, that's what. We are just too healthy. $15 so far, like, what the hell? It's so boring for some reason. Now, like, I'm hungry at the same time. Now, like, we go in here, right? I found the hammer. I found hammer.
Ronaldo.
Is that some moldy cheese? Oh no!
Yeah, it is.
Check the storage. I found it. Ew.
We better hurry where?
Bro, save the passenger wala. How did you get here?
Ronaldo.
By flying. Ronaldinho. Why is Ronaldinho so evil? Why is Ronaldinho here? Why is this Ronaldinho? Yeah, we know it. They're literally tied up. General punching bag. Clean them. I thought this video was going to be 27 minutes like the Airplane 2 one. Yeah, anyways, it's almost over. Me. Arey me. Mar me. Mar me. No. Kuigwa. What the hell is Bo doing? Why is he breaking the floor? Why is he breaking the floor? Why is he breaking the floor? I understand that you're taking pilot away. I'm ruining your life.
What's wrong, Ronaldo?
Wish it was a bad ending. Doesn't mean you can just barge into one plane and just kidnap the whole plane or something. Like, what the hell? Kurigo. Nah.
I don't know.
It's never too late to do things right? Alright, we trust you, Kuigua. Like, why are you still breaking the floor? I'm still at full health with my teddy. Okay, I'll become a good person. I'm going to the back of the plane. I'm not feeling well. Ah, this is the escape wala. Ronaldinho.
Take a banana. Take a banana.
Ronaldinho. He died.
Take a banana. Take a banana.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. We need to go back. 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 We need to go. We need to go. There is no time. The plane is about to explode. Yeah. Like, who's gonna die? Okay. Okay, we gotta go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Huh? Are we dying now? Oh. My teddy. Oh shit! My banana. I need my banana. Banana. Oh wait, this is actually smart. This is actually smart. This is smart. This is so smart. Oh, 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 no, Arshid! No! Wait, what? We died. Okay, guys, thank you for watching the video. Please stay tuned for the next one. So, bye. Yeah, yeah.